This is Mr. Huff, and let's talk about a few things like setting openings in walls and splitting rooms and then tagging rooms so you can put labels where you want them. And also you can check your area for each room. So let's start by putting a wall in, an opening in a wall. So if you look up here, you'll see an opening, and that's the one we're going to grab. So let's say I wanted to open a space through here, and I already have a door here, but just for the sake of this video, we're just going to draw an opening here. So we click on one side, drag to where we want it, and now we have an opening. Okay. There are some other ways to do that, but that is quick and dirty. So another thing that you might need to be able to do is, let's say that this room is used for 3 different kinds of activities. So what we can do is add a room separator, and I'm just going to click on this corner and go across here. And then I'm going to click on this corner and go across here. And now I have some different kinds of spaces. And then I'm going to add one across from here to here just to make sure it sees it. Okay, let's make sure that line is straight. Okay, when I'm done with that, I just hit escape. And all right, so I had a little kink. So what we've done so far is we have isolated the rooms using these boundaries. So I can have 3 different spaces in one room. Now I'm going to use the tool room, RM. It creates a bounded room, so it shows you a little bit how to do it. So we're just going to click on that. Now I'm just going to click on things I want to identify, and I'm just going to choose a few. All right. Now that I have that done, I can go in here and choose the words, and I can name them what I want. After I have the names done, I can just hit escape. And now if you kind of go around this, when you see the X appear, see that? You can click on that and it selects the room. And if you look over here, you can see the square footage of that room. All right, if you want to see the interior of your house, what's rentable, then or the living space you have defined, what you can do is you can click on area. Before I showed you choose the floor, and you can see a rough estimate, but if you choose area and area plan, and then tell it you want to do rentable by floor, click OK. And it's going to ask if you want to automatically create the boundary lines with the external walls. Click on yes. And what it did is all the interior walls it has highlighted. Okay, that was it. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to choose area again, and then choose area, then area. And if you click in the center of the structure, it will give you the area of the entire building. In this case, it is 1,321 square feet. So that is a quick way to get that area of your home, okay? And it'll show up over here as your area plan. So if you go back to your floor plan, you won't see that. But if you look at area plan, you can see that what the square footage of your home is. So that's another way to get to square footage and do a sanity check. You want to make sure it doesn't include your garage if you choose to do this. All right, that's all I have for this video. Thank you for watching.